Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Spendesk Spend Management Review My Usage Experience. Spendesk Spend Management Review My Usage Experience offers a streamlined solution for managing business expenses. It's aimed at small to medium-sized businesses and teams needing better control over their spending. Key features seem to include expense tracking, approval workflows, and potentially integration with accounting software. Their website provides details on specific functionalities. Spendesk positions itself as a user-friendly alternative to cumbersome spreadsheet-based expense management. They emphasize ease of use and transparency, claiming no hidden fees and flexible plans. Their website highlights integrations with various accounting and payment platforms. Availability is worldwide, with details on their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Spendesk Spend Management Review My Usage Experience. Setting up my account was a breeze. The onboarding process was intuitive and guided me through each step effectively. The interface is clean and easy to navigate. I particularly appreciated the clear visual representation of our team spending across different categories. I found it simple to submit expense reports, and the approval workflow was seamless. The system is responsive and reliable, processing requests quickly. I had a quick question about integrating with our existing accounting software, and their support team responded promptly via email with a helpful solution. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was. The standout feature for me was definitely the automated reporting features that saved me a considerable amount of time. One minor drawback was the limited customization options for expense categories. It took me a little while to get used to the advanced settings, but after that it was smooth sailing. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Spendesk. It streamlined our expense management significantly, making it far more efficient and organized. That's my overview of Spendesk Spend Management Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.